If you're anything like me, then you've got a bunch of devices that need charging, and all these wires clutter up the table and make a mess. So in this week's video, we're going to be making a simple and quite creative 3-in-1 charging dock. We will start off with a base. My base is 200mm by 60mm and 20mm thick. I started off by using a Forstner bit and a drill press to get smooth corners around the edges where the phone dock will be. We will now use a router to make the rest of the cavity for the dock. By drilling a couple of holes in the back then using a file, we have just made it so that our cord for the phone will fit through. Alright, since now that part is done, we will need to find a dock to put in the hole we just made. I picked up this one on eBay for $20, which fits in there perfectly. The next part is for the watch and AirPods dock. I used a 28mm spade bit to drill a hole in the block and then used a file to make a slot in the bottom for the cord to go through. The AirPod dock just uses a normal phone lightning cord, but I decided to route a recess in the block so that it sits flush with the top while charging. Drilling out the hole is similar to the phone dock, just drill a couple of holes with the drill press then file it out to make it wider for the cord to go through. As you can see here, this is how all cords will fit. After giving the base a quick sand off, we can drill a hole through the bottom where the watch and AirPods cable is going to go. Also routed a small channel to take a bit of the bend out of the watch cable. My favourite part where we varnish everything. The varnish makes this type of wood look amazing. The rich colour and the glossy finish really makes this look good anywhere. Next we would drill a few holes to attach the watch and AirPods dock to the base. I used 30mm wood screws to attach it, but I didn't use glue, that way I can take it apart anytime I need to get my cords back. I just added an adhesive back bit of foam to the bottom and used some eye hooks and some cable ties to tidy up the cords underneath the table. And even with all those cords hanging down, the drawer still closes. It's done and everything works, so now you can just see how simple it is to make one of these charging stations. You could easily tweak the design to work with all types of devices. If you'd like to see more, make sure you click that subscribe button and turn on the bell so that you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, I hope to see you in another project video.